What is up, you guys? Actually, there's, sorry. What is up, you guys? It's Jessie May, and today we're gonna paint our front porch. We have a bit of a challenge, because how do I keep these guys off of it? So, I don't know, maybe doing half and half. Well, we're gonna figure it out together. So, if you guys are excited to get into this video and you find any value or enjoyment out of it, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more of do-it-yourself, moving, renovation type of content. Because, yeah. Anyway, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Now, how do we get them not on our porch? The only thing I don't have is a stir stick, so. This little thing seemed to deter them from down here. And then we got like a milk crate. We can go maybe like, I don't know. How about we go right there? And then these things. You know, something like that. And then I'll paint, you know, this side so they can walk on this side and still get in. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah, good girl. It's gonna have to work. Seems to be working pretty good, huh, Goose? Does anybody else keep random things in their bag? I apparently kept a paint opener, but it works for today's purpose.
But smile, do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
Yeah, good boy. You don't go on that wet paint.
Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving
this other half, we gotta move all of this stuff and then still paint all the way on top. It's getting dark, so let's see what we can get done. This is, oh shit, what I hit. This is completely dried now. She is mad. She has her collar on. She thought we were going somewhere because she's got her collar on, but I just put it on for, you know, mostly like, oh shit, I just stuck my hand in it. Mostly for like her protection and or other dogs, because there's a, like we have a neighbor, he's really far that way, like about, I don't know, 7-8 acres away that way, like in, yeah. And they have a dog, and you know, when it's out, it barks, which is completely fine, but it gets her going, and I don't want her to go run off, and I didn't know what else to do with that. I don't have a towel, and I needed to touch my camera. She's gonna go get Chipmunk. Chippermunk? Is it Chipmunk? A Chippy-Dale? Almost done with the first coat. We have to finish this tiny little bit right here, and then honestly underneath, and it's 8 o'clock. My phone had to tell me that. I gotta paint up there, but this is a different color paint, so I'm gonna have to paint the whole entire thing. And as you can see, like, I don't know what Kevin was doing. I don't know why he put the gray over the red. I like the red. I don't know. I don't remember the reason of putting the gray over the red. The other side of the cabin is gray, so it's like, well, actually, like this side's red, down here's gray, up here's gray red, down here's like this brown, and now we're doing this deep dark brown kind of reddish chocolatey tone. I really like this color. So I like it better than what the original front porch was. Somebody's staying inside for right this second. The whole half and half thing didn't quite pan out as I was hoping it did. So yeah, we're just kind of preventing them from walking on it. I don't know if I said it. Oh, there's paint on my camera. Well, what's up, guys? Close and personal. So yeah, paint on the camera. I finished painting the deck. You know, I gotta grab a ladder, which is what we're about to do, so I can paint the top parts up there, because they never got painted. I think when we were painting, like prior, we just didn't have a tall enough ladder, and because we weren't up here permanently, so not everything was up here. So now we got this big boy. And did I ever tell you guys I'm afraid of heights? Like, I don't even like step 2 steps on a ladder. So this is gonna be fun. I already washed my hands, but if I didn't, they would be covered in paint too. You're about to see my legs. Well, I have so much paint in my hair. It's all over my shirt. That was not a paint shirt because it was supposed to be simply painting a deck and just a little bit of, you know, above. But we got paint everywhere. We ruined a shirt. We now have another second paint shirt. And so if I wear this and you see paint, you now know why, because I don't have money to go buy another shirt. Anyway. Okay, so yeah, paint in the hair. I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna finish up doing just probably this bottom part so it matches a little bit. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Did you find any value or enjoyment out of it? If you did, give the video a thumbs up. If you didn't, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyways, because it just helps me out tremendously. And you know, maybe eventually I can buy a new shirt because I got paint all over this one. So that being said, I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here where we do more renovation and kind of just fucked up videos. And if you want to binge watch and hang out a little bit longer, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye!